Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok following too fast error. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app is open and you start following a bunch of people, you will see an error saying that you are following too fast and you have to take a break. Now I'll just go to a person's profile and show you an example. Let's go to this person's profile. Now I'll go to his followers. Now I'll just quickly follow a bunch of people. When you keep on following like this, you will see an error saying that you are following too fast and you have to take a break. There is only one fix to this error, which is to take a break for at least 1 hour. And after an hour, when you come back, you will be free to follow as many persons as you want until you see the error message again. And that is how you can fix TikTok following too fast error. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.